Welcome back to the channel, and today we're making some Crunchwrap Supreme. So starting off, get you some shredded lettuce. You can buy it in the bag already shredded, or you can get some iceberg lettuce and shred it up yourself. Either way, get shredded lettuce. Next, you want to slice and dice your tomatoes. So you can get a Roma tomato, slice a tomato, or again, you can go ahead and get that thing already pre-sliced at the grocery store. Whatever you like. Slice, dice tomatoes, that's what you want. Now next is key. You want to get a soft taco flour tortilla shell, and then you're going to get a tostada. And what you want to do with that tostada is trim the outline of it, and it's going to be key for this Crunchwrap Supreme, and you'll see it later in the video exactly why you would need this and this step. So make sure you get that tostada, make that outline, and then you got that top. Like I said, you'll see that later on in the video. Now we're going to go and brown the meat. So while we're browning the meat, you're going to add a tablespoon of chili powder. You're going to add a teaspoon of salt. Then we got a tablespoon of cumin seasoning, a tablespoon of black pepper, and then you're going to hit it with a tablespoon of smoked paprika. And that's all the seasoning that you need. Now you can see it's juicy. You see the seasoning mixing in that hamburger meat. Now what you want to do is melt Velvetta cheese. And I'm not going to waste your time showing to melt it. But now we're going to put this thing together. So you see your meat. A lot of people drain the meat out, but I want that thing to be juicy when I take that bite. Have a little juice and flavor. Add your Velvetta cheese next on top of it. And you see, man, that thing is starting to look delicious already. So you got your melted Velvetta cheese that you're putting on top of your meat there. Once you do that, next thing that you're going to do is put your tostada on top with sour cream. I like a lot of sour cream, so you see me putting a lot on there. Now you're gonna add your lettuce. And then you're going to put your tomatoes on top of that. So you want to get your mixed blend of cheese. Whatever mixed blend that you like. You can get the Mexican mix. You can get the Kobe Jack mix. Whatever mix that you like. Just a mix of cheese. Now here's just an example what you need to do. So you need to fold it. So you're going to fold and pinch, okay? So again, there's the key right there. You put that soft taco shell on top. So now you're folding and pinching, and you're going all the way around. So you fold, you pinch, you fold, you pinch, and then it all comes together. And it'll take time to get this detail that you see right there where the fold and pinch goes. And again, just keep in mind that this is a soft taco, so it is a little bit delicate. So be a little delicate with it. Some of your edges might tear, but you know, don't worry about that. Just have fun. Again, you see me right there pinching it at the seams. And now I'm patting it down so it's ready to go. So you want to heat your pan and get it to a medium heat. Spread with cooking spread. You can use vegetable oil. Now what I'm going to tell you this is you can cook it a couple different ways. So you can take it from 2 all the way to 5 minutes. If you want it a little bit on the crispier side to get extra crunch, take it to the 5-minute mark. In this example, I took it to the 5-minute mark. So it gives you that extra crunch at the end. But if you want not so much crunch. Take it about 2 minutes and you'll see just a little bit of brown on your flour tortilla shell. So again, with this one, 5 minutes, it's gonna give you that crunch, and here it is. You can hear it. All right, guys, there you have it. Crunchwrap Supreme right there. Easy recipe. You gotta try this recipe, guys. So again, I made that thing, man, and what is it without the Taco Bell sauce? So I'm gonna go ahead and put that thing on there, like so. Whew. And it's dripping. That's how I like it. But we're gonna take a bite. There we go. Bussin'. Let me get some napkins, cause that thing is bussin'. So try that recipe, man. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you later. Peace.